All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sneak Peeker. Here today, we got a review of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 model. Okay, every so often, I'll reach out and do another review of a different, uh, something other than sneaker. Okay, so I like to throw in those different reviews sometime just to bring a little bit more diversity and more interesting concepts to the channel. All right, here we had a Canon EOS Rebel T7 model. Okay, now here, as you can see, okay, the box it came in. Now mind you, this run you around $500 plus or minus, depending on where you go. It's brand new in the box. Now there was a package combo, of course, that was also available with the extra lens and the bag. I didn't get that because it wasn't important. So here we are. We're opening up the Canon T7 model. Okay, as you can see, there's the manual here, the instructions. All right, and I believe there's other models, the EOS Kiss and the EOS 1500D. All right, but this in particular is the EOS Rebel T7. All right, there's the manual. It has all the instructions in there, all the features if you want to know how to operate these features. There's the warranty information. Okay, and that's the product registration. Now, these cameras tend to be very useful for traveling and events, vacation, just pretty much good for still personal portraits, so on and so forth. Now I'm not sure if it's good for videos. Here you have the strap, the Canon strap, which is made up of vinyl as well as a leather, fairly reasonable, like a pigskin leather, reasonable strap. Okay, so there is a strap connection. There is the battery. Okay, it do come with the chargeable battery, which could be charged and inserted inside the camera. I believe you get you about a good full 24 hours if you're doing a lot of shooting or whatnot, of battery life on the battery once it's fully charged. Now this is the optimal lens, the EFS 18 through 55 millimeter image stabilizer lens. Okay, it shoots up to 0.25 meters slash 0.8 feet. All right, very useful with stabilizing imagery, still as well as video. All right, now also these are replaceable, these lenses. Now here you have the Canon outlet plug that charges the battery. You insert the battery there and you can plug it in the wall and charge the battery. As I mentioned, believe the battery holds up for about 24 hours once it's charged. Now to the good part. The actual EOS Rebel T7 model. Now, mind you, this is considered a beginner's camera to photography, still imaging, as well as video. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we're taking the camera out of the package, and it has like a matted black feel to it. It has a rubber grip on the right side. All the functions to the camera is on the right side of on the top. There you got your dial for the different settings. You got your your light flash mount on top, your strap connectors for carrying the camera. Underneath you have your screw for your tripod stand, and your battery casing underneath where you insert the battery. You got your LCD screen for visuals, and then you have your shot lens at the top, and on the side you have your rubber grip there that allows you to grip while you're taking still image. Okay, the camera is it's a little bulky, I would say, far as in compared to other ones I've seen, a little bit more sleek. Sony makes a very sleek camera. As you can see, there's the optimal lens there, stabilizer. It is fairly a good class of lenses that can be added or changed at will, depending on what you're doing. Of course, there's the battery connector, as you can see, the outlet for the battery, and also the battery itself. Now, that when you put everything together, it tends to be let me see, maybe about a pound in weight overall. As I mentioned before, there's some cameras that is not as heavy and bulky. We're going to more of like the smaller version, like Sony makes a sleek, lighter version, which is fairly reasonable. This is a 24 megapixel camera. Anything to me beyond 24 megapixel I believe is unnecessary, as long as you are in the range of anywhere from 15 to 24, you should be good. No need to go beyond that. I mean, it's really about your sensor. Okay, if your sensor is good and not small, you're gonna be good. So if you got a good sensor and you're at the 24 mark, 20 to 24 or 15 to 24 megapixel, you're gonna be good on photos and video. You don't need anything more than that. I know that you have other companies advertising going beyond that. It's unnecessary. So all around, this will run you plus or minus $500. It is durable. As you can see there, you can attach the lens there, and it has a red light sensing on there, flash built in on top that activates in night footage or flash. And yeah, there you have it. Don't forget to check out my other videos like and subscribe. Sneak peeker. Okay, this is one of the bonus reviews that I do every so often, that's outside of the sneakers and the shoes, that I'll be putting on this channel just to make it interesting. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like, thumbs up, and yeah, thank y'all. Bye.